Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Sheikh Wasim sir, an assistant teacher of Al Mahmoud International School, Akula. How are you, students? Hope you are well. Yes. So, dear students, in previous videos we have been learning lesson number 3, a friend for Milu. Yes, a friend for Milu. Who is Milu? Yes, Milu is a tiger. Hope you would understood the lesson. In last video we understood the lesson. Yes, there are 5 characters. Okay, Milu the tiger, Jerry the giraffe, and Tuthi the crocodile, and Chandu the elephant, and Chimpu the monkey. Yes, did you understand these characters? Very good. And we learned that there is in last video we learned that there was a tiger, okay, who lived in the forest, which name was Milu. Okay, name was Milu. He had no friends. Okay, he had no friend. Therefore, he was sad and he was alone. Okay, so he was searching. He was searching a friend because we know, dear students, without friends, our life became unhappy. Okay, so everyone need a friend. Everyone needs a friend. Okay, so dear students, he said that he was searching a friend. So first of all he made Jerry. Who was Jerry? Yes, you can see in the picture. Yes, Jerry was a giraffe. Okay, Jerry was the giraffe. Giraffe's name was Jerry. Okay, you can say first of all, who is he? This is Milu. Okay, this is Milu, and first of all he made Jerry. Okay, he made Jerry. What was Jerry doing? Jerry was eating leaves at the top of the tree. Okay, so Milu asked him, will you play and be my friends? But Giraffe said sorry. Okay, Giraffe said sorry, and Giraffe said that I am too busy. I have I am hungry and I have to eat. Okay, then Milu was very sad. He walked on, and then second time he made Tuthi. You can see in this picture, this is Tuthi. Okay, who was Tuthi? Yes, crocodile was Tuthi. Crocodile's name was Tuthi. Okay, so dear students, Milu asked him, okay, will you play with me and be my friends? But Tuthi, you can see, Tuthi was busy in chasing the fish. Okay, so he said sorry, I cannot play with you because I have to chase fish. You can see Tuthi was chasing the fish. Okay, see, then what happened? Poor Milu walked alone. Just then Chandu. Who was Chandu? Yes, the elephant's name was Chandu. What was Chandu doing? Chandu was pulling big log of wood. Okay, big log of wood. Then Milu Milu became happy, and Milu said to Chandu, what did he say? Yes, how nice to see you. How nice to see you means I am very happy to see you. Okay, so please Chandu, will you come and play with me and be my friend? This time Milu asked Chandu to play and be friend. But what Chandu replied? See, Chandu, here Chandu is telling I am sorry means please forgive me and मुझे माफ कर दो. Milu, I have work to do means Chandu have work. You can see in this picture what was Chandu doing? Chandu was pulling a big log of wood. This is a big log of wood means piece of wood. Okay, and this is Chandu. Okay, This is Chandu. Okay, Chandu was pulling a big log. So Chandu said, Milu, I have to take this log to the river. Mean he has a work to cross the log from the river. Okay, I cannot play with you. Here also Chandu denied, reject his offer to be a friend. Okay, so poor Milu, no one would play with me. He sat under a tree. Okay, here you can see he is become nervous, mean unhappy, and sat under a tree. Okay, where did Milu sit? Where did Milu sit? Under a tree. Yes, where did he sit? Yes, Milu sat under a tree and cried. Okay, and he started crying. Okay, suddenly he heard a voice calling. Yes, why did Milu cry? Why did Milu cry? Any guess? Yes, give answer. Why did Milu cry? I hope most of the students will be answering. So dear students, no one was ready to play with Milu. Therefore, Milu was crying. Okay. So who was now see from where the voice coming? From where the voice coming? Here upper side. Then Milu, who Milu, Milu looked up and saw Chimpu, the monkey. Yes, who was Chimpu? The monkey. Whose name was Chimpu? Monkey's name was Chimpu. Okay. Here you can see this is Chimpu. Okay. Where was the Chimpu sitting? Yes, where was the Chimpu sitting? The Chimpu was sitting on the tree. Here you can see the Chimpu was sitting on the tree. Okay. You can see Chimpu was sitting on the tree. Yes, who was Chimpu? Monkey's name was Chimpu. Okay. Now see. Milu looked up. Where did Milu look? Up. Up means above. Upper. Upper. Okay. And saw Chimpu the monkey. Chimpu was sitting on the tree. Got it? Here you can see this is Milu and he looked up. Okay. Milu looked up. So Chimpu. Now this time Chimpu said, why are you so sad, Milu? Why are you sitting alone? Okay. Why are you so sad and why are you alone? Milu replied, okay. No one play with me, Jerry. Jerry and Tuti and Chandu are all busy. I am alone. I am alone. I don't have any friends. Milu said to Chimpu. Okay, Milu said to Chimpu. Here you can say both are talking. Both are talking. Milu is saying to Chimpu, no one will play with me. And Jerry, the giraffe, Tuti, who was Tuti? Crocodile was Tuti. And Chandu are all busy. I am alone. Alone means I don't have any friends. Okay. So Chimpu. Chimpu said. This time Chimpu is saying, you can see, come, I am not busy. I will play with you. Okay, I will play with you. I will teach you how to climb to tree. How to climb to a tree. Okay, this time Chimpu said to Milu. Yes. So dear students, who was ready to play with Milu? Who was ready to play with Milu? Yes, Chimpu. Chimpu was ready to play with Milu. And what did Chimpu say to Milu? What did Chimpu say to Milu? Yes, Chimpu said, I am not busy. I will play with you. Okay, and I teach you how to climb a tree. Yes, what will What will the chimpu teach Milu? Yes, how to climb a tree. How to climb a tree. Now Milu, this time Milu saying, Chimpu, will you really mean sure? Are you sure? Okay, will you really be my friend? Are you sure to be my friend? I would love to climb trees. Yes, Milu said, I love means Milu loved to climb on a tree. Milu was happy. He smiled from ear to ear. Here you can see, okay, this is a symbol of happiness. Means touch ear to ear to show happiness. Okay, both are happy. Got it? At last Milu had a friends. Okay, and this time he was happy. Got it? So dear students, Milu was happy and he smiled from ear to ear. At last he had a friend. Yes, was Milu happy at the end of the story? Yes. Yes, Milu was happy. Yes, we learn, students, that without friends, without friends, our life is unhappy. Okay, so we know the importance of friendship. Okay, so dear students, before in the beginning of the lesson, Milu don't have any friend. Therefore, he was alone and sad and became unhappy. But after getting a friend, the chimpu, he was happy. Milu was happy, and both are playing. Okay, both were playing together. Got it? So, dear students, I hope you would understood the lesson. Yes, got it. Very good, dear students. So dear students, in this story we learn about the importance of friends and we should respect to others. Okay, will you respect and be a good friend? Very good. So dear students, you have to read this lesson and try to understand what is given in this lesson, and then you have to learn and copy the hard words in book number 1. In next video we will solve exercises. Okay, got it? Very good. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.